హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5 మనకు థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాడు. లెట్ us డిస్కస్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. సి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫార్మ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ హూజ్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ 2 + or - √3, 1 + or - 2i is given. There are 4 roots: 2 + √3, 2 - √3, 1 + 2i and 1 - 2i. Suppose that if alpha, beta, gamma, delta, suppose they are the roots of the equation, then the equation can be written as x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma into x minus delta equal to 0. From first to 2 I can write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Next, from next to 2 I can write x square minus gamma plus delta of x plus gamma delta equal to 0. Yes, this is required equation. Let us suppose the value of alpha equal to 2 + √3 and the value of beta, its conjugate, 2 - √3. And from these two you can write alpha plus beta value 4, alpha into beta, that is 4 - 3 become 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square gives 4 - 3, 1. Next, and since gamma value 1 plus 2i and delta value 1 minus 2i implies you can write gamma plus delta, that is 2, and gamma into delta value a plus b into a minus b written as a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus 4i square gives the value 5. 1 square minus 4i square it is. I square value -1. So -4 into -1, that is +4 into +4. Next 1 + 1 is there. So that gamma into delta become 5. Next, substituting these values in star. Now star implies we get x square minus alpha plus beta value we have 4 into x. Next plus alpha into beta, that is 1. Next x square minus sum of roots, that is -2 into x plus product of roots plus 5 equal to 0. Implies you can write x square into x square, x power 4 minus 2x cube. Next x square multiplied by 5, 5x square. After that multiplication with -4x gives -4x cube plus 8x square minus 20x, and then also you have multiplication with 1, x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Yes, if you simplify this we get x power 4. Next, minus 6x cube, and after that 5 plus 8, 13 plus 1, that is 14x square. Next x terms, minus 20x minus 2x, minus 22x, and constant plus 5 equal to 0. This is required equation. Let us move to the next one. -1, 2 and alpha are the roots of third degree equation. Then find the value of alpha. Yes, given that -1, 2 and alpha, these three are the roots of a cubic equation x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. This is given data. First I am going to make the coefficient of x cube as unity, so that divide each and every term with 2. To make coefficient of x cube unity, I am going to divide each and every term with 2. Implies we get x power 3 plus 1 by 2 x square minus 7 by 2 x minus 3 equal to 0. Comparing this equation with general cubic equation, x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 equal to 0, implies we get here the value of s3 equal to 3. Last term I am going to compare. S3 indicates S3 is product of roots, that is you have 3. Here the roots are minus 1, 2 and alpha, that is equal to 3. Minus 2 alpha value equal to 3, and hence the value of alpha equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Yes, let us move to the next question. One minus 2, 3 are the roots of cubic equation, then find the value of a. This is the question. Yes. Here in the question given that 1 minus 2 and 3. These 3 are roots of cubic equation x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. That implies the 3 values of x satisfies this equation, in which the small numeral is 1. So that I am writing here x equal to 1 satisfies third degree equation x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. All the 3 satisfies, but the small numeral I am going to select. Implies what we get, x equal to 1, if you replace 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 6 equal to 0. Implies we get 1 minus 2 plus a plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore 7 minus 2, that is a equal to 7 minus 2, a plus 7 minus 2, a minus 5 equal to 0, implies the value of a equal to minus 5. That's all. Let us move to the next one. Product of roots of cubic equation is given as 9. Then find the value of a. Yes. Since the cubic equation 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a equal to 0, let us suppose this is cubic equation as equation 1. Now I am going to make the coefficient of x cube as unity. To make the coefficient of x cube as unity, you need to divide with 16 each and every term. Then what happens, observe, this is x cube 4x plus 4x square minus 9 by 4x minus a by 4 equal to 0. Suppose on comparing with general cubic equation, x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 equal to 0, implies what we get, s3 value equal to a divided by 4. s3 is product of roots. Product of roots is given as 9. s3 is alpha into beta into gamma, product of roots, that is 9 equal to a divided by 4. Therefore on cross multiplication, we get the value of A as 36. This is your answer. Let us move to the next one. If 1, 1 alpha are the roots of cubic equation, then find the value of alpha. That is the question. These three are the roots of cubic equation. Yes. Given that 1 comma 1 comma alpha, these three are roots of cubic equation x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 equal to 0. From this, I am going to write product of roots. Product of roots, here it is 4. On comparing with x cube minus s1x square plus s2x minus s3 equal to 0, the value of s3 equal to 4. Alpha into beta into gamma, product of roots. Here 1 into alpha is 4. So that the value of alpha equal to 4. This is your answer. Let us move to the next one. Alpha, beta 1 are the roots of cubic equation, then find the value of alpha and beta. That is the question. Here alpha, beta 1, these three are roots of cubic equation x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. And here, comparing with general cubic equation, I can write S1, sum of roots, that is clearly 2, equation 1. And S3 is product of roots, alpha into beta into 1, that is here. Comparing with general equation, x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 value equal to 6 here. Therefore, s3 value minus 6. I am rewriting these two equations. Therefore, alpha plus beta value become 1. Alpha into beta value become minus 6. Yes. I am going to solve these two. Solving these two, we get alpha plus beta written as minus 6 by alpha equal to 1. Since beta is minus 6 by alpha. On simplification, it is alpha square minus 6 divided by alpha equal to 1. Alpha square minus 6 minus alpha equal to 0. Alpha square minus alpha minus 6 0. Yes, I can write alpha minus 3 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. Yes. 3 comma minus 2 here. Here linear factors alpha minus 3 and alpha plus 2. Yes, it satisfies. Next. Therefore, alpha value either minus 2 or alpha value equal to 3. Now, we need to find the value of beta. Depending upon these two cases, if alpha equal to minus 2 implies, what is beta? Observe, beta value minus 6 by alpha implies beta value become 3. This is case 1. Next, case 2. Suppose if the value of alpha equal to 3, beta you have minus 6 by alpha implies beta value become minus 2. So these are alpha and beta values. If alpha value minus 2, then beta value 3. If alpha value 3, then beta value minus 2. Okay. So that I can say that alpha and beta are 3 comma minus 2. Okay. Let us move to the next one. Find the transformed equation whose roots are negatives of the roots of fourth degree equation is given. Yes. You know that transformed equation whose roots are negatives of f of x equal to 0 is f of minus x equal to 0. Here f of x is given by x power 4 plus 5 times of x cube plus 11 times of x plus 3 equal to 0. Now I am going to find f of minus x. F of minus x indicates transformed equation whose roots are negatives of given f of x. Replace x with minus x. Minus x power 4 plus 5 times of minus x whole cube 11 times of minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Implies we get x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. It is required equation. That's all. Let us move to the next one. Now the question is, find the polynomial equation whose roots are reciprocals of roots of fourth degree. Yes. If f of x equal to 0 is given equation, then the equation whose roots are reciprocals of f of x, roots of f of x is f of 1 by x equal to 0. F of x, suppose that, let us suppose f of x, x power 4 minus 3 times of x cube plus 7 times of x square plus 5 times of x plus 2 equal to 0. Next. Next we need to find transformed equation whose roots are reciprocals of f of x equal to 0 is f of 1 by x equal to 0. That implies f of 1 by x written as 1 by x whole power 4 minus 3 times of 1 by x whole cube plus 7 times of 1 by x whole square plus 5 times of 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. Implies we get 1 divided by x power 4 minus 3 divided by x power 3 plus 7 divided by x square plus 5 by x plus 2 equal to 0. Yes, here LCM x power 4, we get 1 minus 3x plus 7x square plus 5 times of x cube plus 2 times of x power 4 equal to 0. And hence required equation, first exponent 4 term, next plus 5 times of x cube plus 7 times of x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is required reciprocal equation. This is required equation with reciprocal roots. Okay. reciprocal roots of f of x equals 0. Let us move to the next one. Form the equation whose roots are 2 plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus 2a. I think this question is completed. Yes, this is the question, right? Let us move to the next one. 1 minus 2, 3 are the roots of x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. I think this one also completed. Yes, here you have. This is the question. I think, yes, this one is over, right? A value you got minus 5. Here the equation x cube minus 2x square plus ax. The same you have here. I am going to select the other questions. Yes, let us see. Next question, find the polynomial equation whose roots are squares of roots of x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, this is the question. Suppose given equation is f of x equal to 0, then the transformed equation whose roots are squares of roots of f of x equal to 0 is defined by f of root x equal to 0. So that using that, here I can write, first I am going to write the condition. The transformed equation whose roots are squares of roots of f of x equal to 0 is f of root x equal to 0. Here f of x is given by x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 implies required equation f of root x equal to 0. Implies I can write root x whole cube plus 3 root x whole square minus 7 root x plus 6 equal to 0. Implies it is x root x plus 3x minus 7 root x plus 6 equal to 0. And hence x minus 7 multiplied by root x, that is equal to minus 3x plus 6 we can write. Here x root x minus 7 root x, by taking root x common we get x minus 7 multiple. Next minus 3x minus of 3x plus 6 we can write. Now apply square on both the sides. Then we get, this is plus sign after applying square, and this is, here you can take 3 common, 3 square, next x plus 2 whole square. Again, if you simplify this, we get x square plus 49 minus 14x multiplied by x equal to, this is 9 times of x square plus 4 plus 4x. Yes, x cube plus 49x minus 14x square equal to 9x square plus 36 plus 36x, implies we get x cube minus 23x square, next plus 13x minus 36 equal to 0. If you take the right terms into left side, then we get x cube as it is, minus 14x square minus 9x square gives minus 23x square, 49x, from that if you remove 36x, what happens? 13x, and remaining minus 36 equals 0. It is required equation, that's all. Let us move to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the roots of 4th degree equation. Then find the values of a, b, c, d. That is the question. Given that x power 4 plus a x cube plus b x square plus cx plus d equal to 0. This is 4th degree, and since 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the roots of equation 1, implies x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d written as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 0. On comparing the two, we get a, b, c, d. Yes, here I can write as it is x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, that is equal to from these two you can write x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots, x square minus sum of roots 4 plus 3 7 x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0 here, implies x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to on multiplication we get x power 4. Next, here you have minus 7x cube minus 3x cube, that is minus 10x cube. Next, just to multiply all the terms without confusion, x square into x square, x square, x square into minus 7x cube, sorry, it is x power 4. Next minus 7x cube, tarvata 12x square, and after that minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube, minus into minus plus sign 21x square. Next minus 36x, after that 2x square minus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Therefore x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d written as x power 4. Next, minus 10 times of x cube, x square terms if you observe 12 plus 2, that is 14, 14 plus 21, that is 35x square, and x terms minus 36 minus 14 minus 50 times of x, and constant here plus 24 equal to 0. On comparison, here the value of a equal to minus 10 and the value of b equal to 35 and the value of c equal to minus 50 and the value of d equal to 24. So these are the values of a, b, c, d. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5 మనకు థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నుంచి వస్తే సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్సే ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ S1, S2, S3 కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఆఫ్ x coefficients are, suppose if the given equation is cubic equation, in general cubic equation, what is S1, what is S2 and what is S3? If you know all these, you can easily solve these type of questions. Let us see here, equation with 4 roots. Next, this is depending upon S1, S2, S3. Next, here roots of cubic equation is given, root satisfies that equation, so that you will get the result. One unknown is given in the equation and the 3 roots are given. Substituting the root, automatically that gives unknown value. See here, product of roots based question. Next you have again roots based question. Here also roots based question. This one also. Next, transformations is there. Suppose the roots are negatives, f of minus x equal 0, required equation. Suppose roots are reciprocals of roots of given one, then f of 1 by x equal 0. Next, roots are squares of roots of f of x, means f of root x equal to 0. Such type of questions previously asked in the public examinations. So it is very easy to get 2 marks. Thank you.